Hi, Jason. Is that your drum? Oh, whoa! What happened? What is that? It's big. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Can you get it? Do you want the drum? Bonk. Oh, what'd you find, Jason? What's back here? Oh, close the door. Do you want that? You want Mommy to help you? Hey, you did it! Good job! Oh, bye-bye. Here, can I pull it a little bit? It looks like it's a little far away. You got the handle. There you go. It's just kind of heavy. Here, let me turn it this way so you can see those guys. Let's say goodbye to Drum for a minute. Bye, Drum. What you got there, buddy? Did you use that to play the drum? Is that funny? Oh. Hi, Devin.